Kiki! Everybody is welcome. If I see breaks with you, also welcome. Since it's the same person, like same welcome or whatnot. But we're going to do the 2020 Bowman Mega Boxes. 5 of them. And this one is number 3. So, come on over in this direction. Let's get this out of the way. Alright. Who knows what we might have. Oops. Teams. I caught it, so no party foul. We'll do the chromes after. We'll do these cards first. Alright, nothing exciting. Valamont and Ash being first. Hey, a Wit first chrome. Not a bad one to pop off. Yeah, now if it was a Baconator, that's a whole different situation. So, a nice Wit first. A Trammel chrome. Aquino rookie. Randy rookie. Bichette Lewis, Volp first paper. We'll take that. Thomas, Logan Davidson, Adele, Krause, Alvarez, Lux, and Yamamoto rookies. Bart, Thomas, Otani, and Giolita. No one cares. Herner rookie. Pache Dominguez first paper for the Yankees. I mean, a hot box of nombres in this one so far. Kelnick, a Wilson, a Garcia, the Mazzara, and those guys there. Add into the chromes. The Pena, the De La Cruz, the Puck, the Javier, and the Bajarski. Blade, Dunning, Azole, Black of Vagajagas, and of Ireland. Okay. Not if you're in Miami, J-Mass. You don't even need a coat. You're good in shorts and sandals. Alonzo DeJong. Another Volp paper. Well, I mean, if you're smoking crack, you're not really hungry. So, I mean, I get that. Pash and Win. Zole rookie. Cantillo, Perez, Chrome, Soraka, Garcia, and Lazardo rookies. Jamie, how you doing today? Diaz, Puck, Bradley, Cavaco, Vlasivac, Vujicic, Rushman, Marquez, K, and Tora. Herner, rookie. Not too bad, Jamie. I mean, you know, do me open cards, which is a good thing. Cardenas, hey, an autograph. Well, no. Ooh, maybe, or maybe not. Actually, I thought I had a hot one on my hands, but Son of a goat. It's a Jake Sanford. I saw the I saw the edge of a Yankee, and I was like, damn, here we go. Let's do it. And then you bamboozled me with the Jake Sanford. The Bart and the Krause. Holzheiser, Rutledge, Graterol, Mata, and a Waters. It's not gonna happen. It's not terrible, but I mean, it's not Volpe or Dominguez. The next Aaron Judge, that's big. Robert rookie, Gonzalez first. Encarnacion, Ruiz, those guys. Nola, Allen, Dunn rookies. Wander, I mean, that's second year Chrome. I'll throw that down there. Cease and Apostle, Powson. I mean, I think he's still doing something. And a Gallon rookie. Gleyber Torres. All right, Amaya, Huff, Edwards, Robinson, Munoz, and Noose. Singer, Terang, and Blakovakovic, Schmidt, and Bart. Beck, Kalnick, Alvarez, Krause, and Mata. No offense. Huh? Sometimes people just need a fresh start. You know what I'm saying? Just need a fresh start. Dunning and Waters. Blade, Cabello. Mauricio Gorman. Robert rookie, Nola rookie. Mendoza line, Gallon and Munoz rookies. Cone, Perez, Lewis, Lugo, Manoa, and Gorman. No, he is. Cruz, Shortridge, Alvarez, Green, and Bennett. I am high on Blade. And I'm not high on many people, but him I am. Allen, Dunn, Cease, rookies, Baz, Smith, Chromes. Oh, 100% freaking nature. He'll get to the top. He'll have like an amazing first half, and then they'll trade him for cash considerations to the Red Sox or something. Hall and Mountcastle. Torres, Cardenas, Gil, Javier. These are questions that I don't have the answers to for you, Nature. Soto, Azole, rookie. Amaya first, Cameron, Lazardo, rookie, K, rookie, and Toro, rookie. And our last bit of chromes here. Beck, Kelnick, Dunn, Green, and Sanchez. And a young Amaya, a Robert, Schmidt, and a Bart. And that is what we have for number 3. Thank you. I'll get this right out to you, boys.